What is going on, YouTube? We are back today. Going to do something a little different. As you can see, I'm prepping my dirt bike. We're going to go hit a new track called Track 93. It's been around for a year or two. All the ride of my life, I've never hit a motocross track, so I'm kind of pumped up on it. We're from West Virginia, man. We do a lot of woods racing. I'm taking one of the kids I sponsor through the garage. He's a woods racer, but he wants to go out and hit the track. He's been there before. I've never been there, so pretty psyched up on it. Gonna be a good time. I'm just getting this thing prepped, oil in the chain, checking brakes, cleaning air filter, topping off oil, topping off fluids, all that stuff. So come with us today. Gonna have a good time, and I'll get the GoPro charged up and get some videos of me ripping around the track. All right, we're out here. Gonna do a couple laps with you. Show you what it's all about. Is my tire flat? Huh? Is my tire flat? today. Hit up track 93 in Reesville, West Virginia, man. I tell you what, super impressed. Nice track, motocross track. It was great. Good jumps. You know, nothing too crazy. You can get crazy if you want, but nothing too wild. And then they got a pretty sweet woods track. I was super impressed by it. More of a hard enduro style woods track. Super tight single track. I got some good video I'll post up in here. But again, track 93, Reesville, West Virginia, man. Super impressed. Good price to get in, man, and you can have days worth of fun. So check them out. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, ring that bell, man. Everything helps. We're getting close to 500 subscribers, so definitely hit another milestone here. So thank you guys again, and stay tuned for more.